Hello everyone, very good evening and welcome to the BYJU'S exam prep. This is Sanjay Rathi and today we will discuss how to crack GATE and ESE in first attempt. Let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. And this is a very important session because now we have enough time and normally students have the target for what engineering services exam that is conducted by UPSC and what a GATE exam. तो आपके भी दिमाग में अगर ऐसा कोई डाउट है कि क्या दोनों एग्जाम एक साथ निकाला जा सकता है तो यही हम लोग ये डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, राइट? एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन एंड वी विल डिस्कस strategy for next 7 to 8 months, right? I think sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine now. So please like the session, share the link of this session because this is a very important one, and finally subscribe our channel. So this is a GATE and ESE exam in first attempt. Know the perfect strategy. That is the topic of this session. Now guys, this is my introduction and I will share my experience also how we can crack all these exams, right? Because we have some similarity. So we will discuss the pattern and we will also discuss the syllabus and how to get the command over this complete subject. Okay, so that is my introduction. Myself Sanjay Rathi, I am an ex-IES and this is my teaching experience, 22 years. And these are my achievements. I have qualified and selected for engineering services exam, AIR 16 in ESE 2005, AIR 21 in ESE 2008, and I have trained more than 1 lakh students for these competitive exams. Okay guys, so this is my introduction and this is very important information for you. This Sunday, free workshop on how to get in first attempt inside from AIR 12 in GATE 2023. That is the Rasul, right? And please note the time on 7th May at 12:30 p.m. So you can register for this workshop on our app. So go there and please register for it. Okay guys. Now, in this session, what are the important points we are going to discuss? First, about GATE and ESE. What about the pattern, what is the syllabus, and what are the opportunities through this GATE and engineering services exam, right? If you have idea, okay. Otherwise, you will get idea what about the GATE and engineering services exam, okay? Both are technical exam. Then second, right time to begin. Number of students will ask, what is the right time to start our preparation? Some students are in second year, some in what third year, some in final year, or some dropouts, or some students are what just in first year. Okay, तो आप देखिए जो भी है आप अपने कमेंट्स में लिखिए कि आप कौन से ईयर में, whether you are in first year, second year, third year, final year, or what pass out, or you are in job. So everyone please give me the answer in comments box. And now, what is the right time to begin your preparation for GATE and ESE? Then finally we will discuss how to crack the GATE and ESE exam in first attempt. Okay, so that is the agenda of this session. Then guys, in first 10 minutes we will get the idea about the GATE and engineering services exam. I will discuss the syllabus, what is the similarity in the syllabus of GATE exam and what engineering services exam. Then we will discuss the pattern and what are the common points so that we can crack GATE and ESE simultaneously. Okay. Then second one, strategy for GATE 2024 and engineering services exam 2024. We will discuss how we can design it, macro to micro level planning, what should be the preparation strategy, about the study material, sources of practice, mock test, what is the use of the mock test, and most important one, tips for daily motivation. Okay, तो कैसे अपने आप को मोटिवेट रखे, because it is a very long journey. It will take around what 7 to 8 months or sometimes more than what 1 year also. इतनी लंबी जर्नी के लिए हम अपने आप को कैसे मोटिवेट रखें, right? So motivation is a very important factor here. So then we will discuss at the end guys. Then I'm going to start my session. That let me know that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine now. Yes please. Okay everyone, please give me the feedback. Okay then. Now, then guys, after BTech, what are the choices? First, number of students will go for what? Placement. But in normal colleges, what about the placement? We are going to get the on average package from 3 to 5 lakh per annum. Then some students will go for what? Higher studies. Some want directly go for what? PSUs, Maharatna, Navratna, or what? Mini Ratna. Yes, we can directly go for what? Public sector units. Some directly go for what? Engineering services exam. Now they can start their preparation from what? Second year, third year, or final year. Now some will change the technical line and they will go for what? MBA, and some will directly go for what? Civil services exam that is conducted by UPSC, and they want to become what? IAS, IPS, or what? IRS directly. Okay. Then now some will go for the placement, and then they will start their preparation with the job. Yes, that is normally in the era of what? Online classes. The number of students go for what? Placement, and with job they are going to start their preparation. बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी है, तो आप अपने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं विद जॉब, राइट. अगर आप प्लेसमेंट चाहते हैं और उसके बाद जॉब स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो भी आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. देन they will prepare for what? GATE exam, engineering services, or what? Civil services exam. And after GATE again they will go for what? PSUs, or they will go for what? Engineering services exam. After engineering services exam they will go for what? Civil services examination. That is the roadmap. And for higher studies, directly student will go for what? GATE exam during BTech. They will start their preparation during BTech for GATE examination. Okay. Then directly, अगर आपका पिक्चर क्लियर है आपको क्या करना है, तो आप प्लेसमेंट लेंगे और अपनी तैयारी स्टार्ट कर देंगे, या फिर सीधा आप हायर स्टडीज के लिए जाना चाहेंगे. देन गेट, थ्रू गेट you can go for what? MTech, then for what? PSUs, or then finally you will get the placement during your BTech or after MTech. And then what? After GATE you can go for what? Engineering services exam, or you can go for what? Civil services examination. Civil services examination through what? Electrical, civil, or what? Mechanical branch. Then after clearing the engineering services exam you can go for what? Again civil services examination, or after MTech, just after getting the degree of MTech, you can go for what? PhD, or you can directly go for what? Placement. Okay, so what is the difference here? Now, if after BTech in normal college, if you go for what? Placement, then what is the average package? 3 to 5. Then here, average package after MTech from IIT or ISE, around 15 to 20 lakh or more than that. In some cases, it is more than that. So yes, and during MTech again you are going to get the stipend also. So that is for your motivation. Then I want to ask one question. What is your target? Tell me everyone, please give me the answer in comments box. You want to go for what? GATE examination, right? Or what? Engineering services exam, GATE and engineering services exam, or other exam? Please try to give me the answer within 20 seconds. Okay. You are preparing for GATE exam or engineering services, GATE and ESE, or other competitive exams other than that. So Rupa Naidu have given the answer C. And what about the other students? Yes, please. GATE and engineering services exam, both. Okay. Then now that is your target. Now time up. So when the students are in second year or third year, normally they are thinking about what? GATE examination. Once they will get the idea about what is the engineering services exam and so on, then what about the similarity in the syllabus, then they can go for what? GATE and ESE both, right? So I am going to discuss. First of all, know the pattern of examination. So in the GATE exam, we are having 100 marks, maximum marks is 100, right? Total 65 questions. You are going to get the 1 mark question as well as 2 mark question, and then total 65 questions, 100 marks. Then finally, here there will be 3 types of question: MCQ, multiple choice question, numerical answer type question, and third one is MSQ. In MCQ, there will be the 1/3 negative marking for 1 mark question, 2/3 negative marking for 2 mark question. In numerical answer type question, there is no negative marking, and in MSQ there will be no negative marking. MSQ means multiple select question, more than one answer may be correct. So that is the pattern of GATE examination. You have to solve what? 65 questions. Total marks is what? 100, and there will be the 1 mark question and 2 mark question. Then what about the engineering services examination? When we are talking about the engineering services examination, now guys, there will be the 3 stages. First one is what? Pre, then what? Mains. After clearing the pre, there will be the mains, and then what? Interview. Then what? Interview. In a very simple language, now in a pre, there will be the 2 paper. One is called general studies and another one is what? Technical. Technical paper. And technical is divided into what? 2 part in syllabus. Paper 1, paper 2. Paper 1 and paper 2. Total 12 subject. Okay, but in pre, you will get 1 paper for GS, that is of 200 marks, and 1 paper for complete syllabus, that is the technical paper, 300 marks. 2 hours, 3 hours. This is 2 hours, this is 3 hour duration. 300 marks, 200 marks. Okay, 300 and 200. And what about the question? 100 questions in first paper and 150 question in second paper, right? So this is the marking. And what nature of the question? MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, then in one of my video I will discuss each and everything about the pattern of engineering services exam. There I will discuss the different types of questions, right? Different types of questions. So here this is I'm just giving you the idea about this paper. Then after clearing the pre, you have to give the mains. In mains, only the technical paper. Now here you have the 2 paper. Paper 1, 6 subject. Paper 2, next 6 subject. I will discuss the syllabus. 6 subject. It is of 300 marks. It is of 300 marks. And what is the duration? 3 hours. What is the duration? 3 hours. Then what is the nature? Conventional, right? Now finally interview. After clearing the mains examination, then there will be the interview. Around duration is around 30 to 1 hour maximum. And how many marks? 200 marks. That is the personal interview. They will ask technical question as well as non-technical question, personal question and so on. So this is the pre, then mains, and then what? Interview. So step by step. So there are 3 steps or 3 stages. Okay, so this is the about the pattern. I think now it is clear, guys. And about the notification, Rupa and I do that you will get the notification, but you have to start your preparation now, right? They will give you the notification in the month of what? September and October, but we can't wait for the notification. Okay, so that is the pattern. I think now clear. Then next one, I want to ask one question. Which year are you targeting to write the GATE examination? First of all, everyone give me the answer. GATE, I am just talking about the GATE examination. And going to job in IT. I'm late for PSUs. No, you are not late on it. You can start your preparation now for what? GATE exam. If you want to enter into the PSU, then start your preparation for GATE examination. Or if you want to crack what? Engineering services exam, then start your preparation for GATE and ESE both. Okay. So Jagdish Reddy have given the answer A. Which year are you targeting to write the GATE examination? In 2024 or in 2025? In a 2024. Means, now next question, this is about the GATE examination. And now which year are you targeting to write the ESE, that is Engineering Services Examination? Why I am asking this question? Because for GATE, 3rd year students are also eligible. But for engineering services exam, final year students are eligible, right? Final year students and then dropouts students are eligible for engineering services exam. Minimum age is 21, maximum is what? 30 for general category. Which year are you targeting to write the engineering services exam? It may be 2024 or it may be what? 2025, right? It's up to you. If you want sufficient time, then you can make a 2-level plan for engineering services exam. Yes, please tell me. No, only GATE exam, Ranjan. Okay, no problem. AAA, only GATE exam. You don't want to write the engineering services exam, no problem. Okay. Now, so that is the question. This is a very important one. These are not the question for me. ये आप लोगों के लिए क्वेश्चन है. अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछिए कि कब आपको गेट एग्जाम देना है, कब आपको इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जाम देना है, या इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जाम देना है या नहीं देना, या फिर गेट एग्जाम के बिना ही इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज डायरेक्टली क्रैक करना. तो इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब आ जाना चाहिए ताकि आप अपनी तैयारी स्टार्ट कर सके. नाउ अब आपने एक बार आंसर ले लिया तो यहां पर ध्यान दीजिए. सिंपली, डू यू वांट टू क्रैक द गेट एग्जाम with what? Just passing marks? Means you want to qualify the GATE exam, or if you want to get the top rank in GATE exam and engineering services exam. If you want to get the top rank in engineering services exam, then that is the chart for you. That is the chart for you. For example, in electronics branch, in GATE 2023, qualifying marks is only 29.9, and what is the AIR 1 mark? Toppers marks 90. So there is a difference of 60 marks. Similarly, no doubt this time the paper of electrical is very tough. That's why the toppers marks is only 66. But in last year, 92.67, 30.7 qualifying marks. This is the toppers marks. You can compare the marks of the computer science here. Then what? Civil engineering. Then what? Mechanical engineering. So almost 60 marks difference between what? Toppers marks and qualifying marks. So if you want to get the top rank, if you want to enter into the PSUs, then simply focus on what? Toppers marks. Simply focus on toppers marks, not on the cutoff marks. So normally students are asking, what about the cutoff marks, right? So cutoff marks तो आप easily ला सकते हैं from maths and aptitude only, because from math and aptitude you are going to get around 28 marks question. 28 marks question. 15 marks is fixed for aptitude, and around 10 to 12 marks from what? 12 to 10 to 15 marks from what? Mathematics. So you can directly qualify the GATE exam, but focus on this. First important thing. Similarly, this is for engineering services exam, cutoff marks. Already I have given you the cutoff marks, but you have to focus on the toppers marks, guys. So that is the cutoff marks in engineering services pre out of 500. 208. That is for the general category for electronics and telecommunication branch. After pre and mains, what is the written examination out of 1100? 600 plus 500, 449. That is the cutoff marks. That is the cutoff marks. And final selection is at what? 617. 617 marks. So similarly, you can go for what? Other category. Now for electrical engineering, that is the cutoff marks. After pre plus mains, and then finally final selection at these marks, right? Sir, what is the minimum marks for master in what? Yes, I have given now. I have given this time. We will provide you the complete table for what? GATE 2023, Ranjan. But if you want to start your preparation for GATE 2024, simply focus on the toppers marks. Automatically you will qualify all the criteria. Okay, don't worry about that. Then, so this is about the cutoff, and if suppose you are focusing on cutoff marks, only cutoff marks, then you can start your preparation in the month of what? September or October or November or what? December, just after the notification. जब आपका notification आए ना, तब आप preparation start कर देना. लेकिन if you want to get the top rank, guys, then that is the right time to start your preparation, right? And if you are in college, then again it is a right time to start your preparation. Then there will be the question, why it is the right time to prepare for GATE and ESE exam now? If I am in college, I am in second year or third year or final year, then what are the benefits of GATE and engineering services examination? Guys, we have the common syllabus. So right, one by one we will discuss points. So that is the first point. We have similarity in syllabus, technical paper, right? Go through the syllabus of GATE and engineering services exam, and go through the syllabus of your semester exam. Same. Then second one, sufficient time. Third, boost up the college performance because syllabus is same. Third one, helps in campus recruitment. In campus recruitment, they will ask questions from aptitude, and that is in syllabus of GATE examination. That is in syllabus of what? Engineering services examination. And to check your confidence, they will ask question from your technical background. with the preparation of GATE and ESE, you are going to get the command over technical. Then finally, less pressure during college. Here there is no pressure. What about the expectation? Zero expectation during college. Yes or no? In second year, third year, final year, we are not expecting extraordinary result. Parents are not expecting extraordinary results. Friends are not expecting. Society not expecting. Neighbors not expecting. But just after the pass out, everyone will expect results from you. So there is a less pressure. And then finally, early career start. If suppose we will be able to clear the GATE exam and engineering services exam at the age of 21 or 22. Right? Then remember, retirement age is fixed. For example, it is 60. If you are going to start your career at the age of the 21, you will get around 40 years. But if you enter at the age of 30 in any PSUs, then what about the working age? Only 30 years. 30 because the retirement age is fixed. So try to start your career as early as possible. And it is possible when we are going to start our preparation now. तो जब जागो तब सवेरा भाई, जिसने तैयारी स्टार्ट नहीं की है कुछ परवाह मत कीजिए, आप अपनी तैयारी स्टार्ट कर दीजिए बस आज से, अभी से। पास आउट है तो भी आप अपने स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। इतने सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं, राइट? ये सब आपकी हेल्प करेंगे और आपको मोटिवेशन आएगा कि मुझे क्यों तैयारी स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए। फिर आता है जब अब आपने प्लान कर लिया, नाउ यू हैव द आइडिया अबाउट द इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जाम, नाउ यू हैव द आइडिया अबाउट द गेट एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? नाउ you have the idea about the benefits of the preparation of the GATE and engineering services examination. Then first of all, when you want to start your preparation, you have to make the proper plan. Okay, तो क्या है plan? तो this is a national level exam guys. GATE exam is what? National level exam. तो आपके पास एक बड़ा एजेंडा है कि I want to clear the GATE exam or I want to clear the engineering services exam or both. So it is a very big target. तो ये तो हम है नहीं हिपोपोटामस के, हमने कुछ आया और आपने वाटरमेलन दिया और एक ही बार में खा ली। दैट इज प्रैक्टिकली नॉट पॉसिबल। तो आपको क्या करना होगा? मैक्रो टू माइक्रो लेवल प्लानिंग करनी होगी। तो मैक्रो टू माइक्रो लेवल जब प्लानिंग करेंगे और उसको जब आप एग्जीक्यूट करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप उसको अचीव कर लोगे। तो वो क्या है प्लान? आप ध्यान दीजिएगा। आपको सबसे पहले देखना होगा व्हाट इज द सिलेबस एंड व्हाट अबाउट द वेटेज एनालिसिस, right? I will give you the idea about that. Second important thing, create a roadmap to cover the syllabus in 7 to 8 months, because if you want to clear the GATE in 2024, we have around 7 to 8 months to just complete our syllabus. Then one and a half month is required for what? Revision. So that is we have 7 to 8 months. Third, you have to create the monthly targets, and finally create a daily and weekly study plan to achieve those monthly target. तो macro to micro level planning guys. Now try to understand. एक मैं आपसे जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं, जब आप किसी जॉब में हैं, राइट? रूपा नायडू इज इन जॉब एंड अदर स्टूडेंट, जब हम जॉब में हैं या किसी कॉलेज में हैं या हम लोग डेली रूटीन पर है, स्कूल्स में थे तब भी, बताओ पर डे की प्लानिंग होती है कि पर वीक की प्लानिंग होती है? आप देखोगे ना तो आपके पास एक वीक की प्लानिंग है। प्रॉपर जो प्लानिंग है ना वो वीकली होती है, क्योंकि आपको मालूम है मंडे टू फ्राइडे आपको जॉब में जाना है तो सैटरडे संडे ऑफ मिलेगा, या कई जगह आपको मंडे टू सैटरडे काम पे जाना है, संडे ऑफ मिलेगा। तो आप क्या करते हैं? मंडे टू फ्राइडे या फिर मंडे टू सैटरडे हम प्रॉपर प्लान बनाते हैं कि इस दिन हमें ये करना है, इस दिन हमें इस तरीके से काम करना है, किसी से इस समय मिलने जाना है, या फिर हमारे पेरेंट्स दूर रहते हैं तो उनसे मिलने जाना है, फ्रेंड से मिलने जाना है, और संडे के दिन छुट्टी के दिन हमें मूवी देखने जाना है। तो वी आर मेकिंग द प्लान फॉर व्हाट? वीक, राइट? तो एक बार आप जब वीकली प्लान करने लगेंगे ना कि मुझे इस वीक में ये सब्जेक्ट कवर करना है, इस वीक में मुझे ये टेस्ट देना है, इस वीक में मुझे पेरेंट्स से मिलने जाना है, इस वीक में मुझे कोई मूवी देखने जाना है, तो यहां पर बनेगी प्रॉपर प्लानिंग। तो जो सबसे स्मॉलर यूनिट है ना उसको आप डिवाइड कर लीजिए वीकली। तो आप यहां से टारगेट कीजिए कि जो नेक्स्ट 8 मंथ्स है या 9 मंथ्स है, 9 into 4 तो 36 वीक है आपके पास। तो वीकली प्लान कीजिए और डेली अपना टारगेट सेट करके उस डेली टारगेट को अचीव कीजिए। तो दैट इज कॉल्ड मैक्रो टू माइक्रो लेवल प्लानिंग। नाउ गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नो द सिलेबस। एवरीवन go through the syllabus. You can download the syllabus of engineering services exam from the website of UPSC, that is upsc.gov.in, and you can download the syllabus of GATE examination, right? syllabus of GATE examination is available everywhere. Okay, for authentic, you can go through the website of IITs and you can download the syllabus of GATE examination. Now, to go through it line by line, thoroughly, and what is the similarity between what syllabus of semester exam and syllabus of GATE exam and syllabus of engineering services exam. It will boost your confidence. कोई अलग चीज नहीं कर रहे हो, आप अपने सेमेस्टर की ही प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, बस थोड़ा सा लेवल डिफरेंट है. ओके, देन ये देखिए पूरा ये आपको मैंने बड़े बड़े सब्जेक्ट्स लिख दिए फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन. दैट इज द सिलेबस ऑफ व्हाट engineering services exam paper 2. Paper 2 means what? Technical paper. I am not discussing the general studies paper, right? So देखिए basic electronics, that is also in GATE, but for electronics student, basic electrical not in GATE, material not in GATE, measurement not in GATE, network in GATE, analog in digital GATE, analog and digital communication in GATE exam, control system in GATE exam, computer organization and architecture 20 to 30% in GATE exam, electromagnetic in GATE exam, advanced electronics not in GATE, advanced communication not in GATE. So around 10 subjects are common in what engineering services and GATE exam, and we are having around 5 to 6 extra subject for engineering services exam. I am talking about the technical paper. And now for detailed syllabus, you can download the syllabus and please watch this. What are the common points? Similarly, this is for electrical engineering. Electric circuit and field, measurement, basic electronics, analog and digital electronics, then control system, machine, power system, power electronics. These are the common in what engineering services and GATE exam, and we have some extra subject also, right? So similarly for mechanical or civil branch, you can download your syllabus here. So that is the syllabus of ESE, and I have given which subjects are common in GATE and ESE. Okay, so I have given you the hint, right? Download the complete syllabus. Then time management, already I have given you the idea how we can, this is a very, very important thing. That is the crucial for what, when we are preparing for exam like what GATE and ESE. We can't waste our time. एक मिनट की आपको ना इंपॉर्टेंट समझनी होगी, और बहुत सारी चीजों को आपको जो रिडंडेंट चीजें उनको अपने लिस्ट से हटाना होगा, क्योंकि लिमिटेड टाइम है और एग्जाम का जो सिलेबस है उसके हिसाब से हमको सफिशिएंट टाइम देना होगा. देन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द कमांड ओवर दैट. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. Macro to micro level planning. Then once you will get the idea about the syllabus, once you will get the idea about the time management, then what is the right way to start your preparation? Remember, in every syllabus we have some basic subject like math, signal, apti and network. Start with this. Then enter into what? Middle level subject like EMFT, control and digital. And then you can enter into the core subject like what? Communication, EDC and analog. Similarly, for electrical student, the core subject is what? Machine, power system, power electronics and measurement. So these are the basic subject, then middle subject, then what? Core subject. So you can make your strategy. Start from this and then enter here. तो कई लोग क्या करते हैं, उल्टा करेंगे, सीधा they will go for what? Communication, EDC or analog, or they will go for what? Machine, power system, power electronics. But if you are not able to solve the question, then it will hamper your confidence, guys. To start with the basic subject. Okay, then understand the concept. Understand the concept means a GATE exam and engineering services exam based on what concept, not on what just formula based question. You are not going to get the formula based question and so on. Okay, तो आपको रटने से तो काम नहीं चलेगा. रटने से आपका सेमेस्टर निकल सकता है, रटने से आपने स्कूल में अगर आपने कर लिया होगा, लेकिन यहाँ आपका काम नहीं चलेगा. आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझना होगा. Don't try to mug up. Then how? Very simple. Concept building means what? Simply try to attend the regular classes, then go through the study notes, and finally follow the standard textbook. Standard textbook. We have limited time. That's why we can't go for what? Standard textbook. So we will provide you the idea about that. And we are also here provide you the study notes also. Right? And join authentic classes, whether it is offline or online classes. So this is the important thing for concept building. Okay, very, very important points, guys. Then choose perfect study material means authentic study material. पहले ना स्मार्ट वर्क कीजिए, थोड़ा टाइम लगाओ, कौन सा ऑथेंटिक है। कोई भी मटेरियल मिला स्टार्ट मत कीजिए, कंपेयर कीजिए, उसका पूरा कंटेंट चेक कीजिए, क्या आपका जो सिलेबस है उससे मैच हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, उसका क्या उसमें प्रॉपर क्वेश्चंस है या नहीं, ऑथेंटिक क्वेश्चंस है या नहीं, सिंपली कॉपी पेस्ट तो नहीं है, ऑथेंटिक सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं। उसके बाद आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कीजिए। एक बार 6 महीने प्रिपरेशन करने के बाद समझ में आ रहा है सब कुछ गलत है, तो ऑलरेडी आपका टाइम वेस्ट हो चुका होगा। तो ऑथेंटिक कंटेंट आपको चूज करना होगा, स्टडी मटेरियल चूज करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क है, बिकॉज वी कांट रेफर व्हाट स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक फॉर ऑल सब्जेक्ट, बिकॉज वी हैव लिमिटेड टाइम। We can solve question from the standard textbook. We can refer textbook for some relevant topics, not for all the topics. Yes, because we have limited time. Remember that. This is a very important point. Then they will student will ask next point. The student will ask sources of practice. Sir. Once you will get the command over the concept, go through the study material and what the textbook. Then sources of practice. Very simple. Standard textbook, questions from the standard textbook, and then workbook. Coachings are providing you the workbook. That workbook again, it should be authentic. Then second one, previous year questions. We are providing you the previous year questions of what GATE exam and engineering services exam. Yes, you can solve the question from these two textbook. And then finally what, go for quizzes, test series. That is the simple pattern, sources of practice. Okay, this is a very simple one. Then practice previous year question paper. This is a very important, and that is important for what SWOT analysis means. You will get the idea about your strength, what are your weakness, opportunities means on which topic this if we are going to get the questions from that topics, then definitely we will able to solve. And sometimes after giving enough time, again we are not getting the command over that particular subject. That is what is your threats, कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है। तो ये जब व्हेन वी आर सॉल्विंग द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, देन यू विल गेट द आइडिया अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स। क्या है स्ट्रेंथ सब पता चल जाएगा आपको, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि हम सॉल्व करते ही नहीं। क्यों अखिल, तैयार हो गए हो आप लोग? रूपा नायडू, रंजन, एवरीवन जो भी अटेंड कर रहा है, बताइए क्या आप एकदम सिस्टमैटिक रोज का जो आपने डिसिप्लिन बनाया है, क्या हम उसको फॉलो कर पाते हैं? हर न्यू ईयर में कुछ रिजोल्यूशन लेते हैं, लेकिन हमारे से फॉलो ही नहीं हो पाता। तो आपको बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करना होगा, प्रॉपर प्लान बनाना होगा इसके लिए। और गेट एग्जाम कोई या कोई भी एग्जाम बड़ा नहीं है, आप आराम से निकाल सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ अब आपने प्रिपरेशन कर ली, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिया, आपने क्वेश्चंस दे दिए, टॉपिक वाइज आपने टेस्ट दे दिया, लेकिन अब आपको रेगुलर अपना चेक करना है कि मैं क्या रास्ते पे सही ट्रैक पर हूं या नहीं हूं। राइट, हर वीक आपको चेक करना होगा, तो आपको मॉक टेस्ट देना होगा रेगुलरली। तो जब आप मॉक टेस्ट देंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि भाई क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग हो गए। तो व्हाई देयर आर मिस्टेक्स? मे बी कॉन्सेप्ट अननोन, मे बी फॉर्मूला मिस्ड और फॉरगॉटन, मे बी कैलकुलेशन एरर, मे बी रीडिंग एरर, मे बी व्हाट एनी अदर एरर। क्वेश्चन ही गलत पढ़ लेते, राइट। कई बार क्या होता है, आपको फॉर्मूला कुछ और लगाना है, आपने कुछ और लगा दिया, गलत कॉन्सेप्ट आपने लगा दिया। तो बहुत सारे रीजन है जिससे हम लोग क्वेश्चंस को गलत करते हैं। एग्जाम में पता करोगे तब तक तो बात हो जाएगी। एक ही बार तो गेट एग्जाम होगा, साल में एक बार तो गेट एग्जाम होता है, साल में एक बार इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जाम होता है। तो रेगुलर आप मॉक टेस्ट देंगे ना, तो अगले महीने ही आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपकी क्या मिस्टेक्स है, और उन मिस्टेक्स को हम रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हैं बिफोर एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन। तो बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है। अखिल ने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया है कि बिल्कुल पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता, कैसे करें। अब सब कुछ हो गया, आपने कॉन्सेप्ट बना लिया, आपने रेगुलर टेस्ट दिया, रिवीजन। तो व्हाट अबाउट द रिवीजन? हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं, लास्ट में जो 1.5 महीने है ना, उसमें हम लोग पूरा रिवीजन कर लेंगे। ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है। इफ यू वांट द प्रॉपर रिवीजन, if you want to do the proper revision guys, then you have to make what detailed notes, short notes and formula notes just after completing the topic, just after completing the subject. हर सब्जेक्ट के बाद आपको नोट्स बनाने होंगे, शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाने होंगे, मॉक टेस्ट देना होगा, सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट देना होगा। तो हर बार आपको हर मंथ उसी हिसाब से आपको क्या करना होगा, रिवीजन करना होगा अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन। तब आप जनवरी के मंथ में जब आप रिवीजन कर रहे होंगे, तो हो सकता है वो आपका 5th टाइम हो या 6th टाइम रिवीजन हो, तो वो रिवीजन काम आएगा। तो ठीक है, जनवरी के महीने में हमको प्रॉपर रिवीजन करना है, लेकिन करोगे कहां से? शॉर्ट नोट्स तो होने चाहिए ना आपके हाथ में। पूरे के पूरे कंटेंट को एक साथ थोड़ी रिवाइज कर लोगे एक महीने में। तो आप स्टार्ट कीजिए और रिवीजन को अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी में रखते रहिए। ठीक है ना। टॉपिक को रिवाइज करते रहिए ऑन रेगुलर इंटरवल। डोंट वेट फॉर द लास्ट मंथ, दिसंबर और जनवरी, ऑन रेगुलर इंटरवल, राइट। तो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट वन। अब आता है जैसे कि सर ये तो हो ही नहीं पाता भाई, अगर आपसे नहीं हो पाता, राइट, हाँ आप कर सकते हो अखिल, लेकिन अगर आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है तो क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है? क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं है आपको एक महीने 1 साल बाद आप कहाँ जाने वाले हो। तो मैंने आपको शुरुआत में ही बताया, यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम अ क्लास 1 ऑफिसर थ्रू इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जाम। यू कैन एंटर इनटू व्हाट PSUs लाइक महारत्ना, नवरत्ना, ONGC, गेल और PGCIL एंड अदर PSUs, राइट। बहुत सारे नाम हैं, आप देख सकते हैं। इन एग्जाम्स को क्रैक करने के बाद आपकी लाइफ में जबरदस्त चेंज आने वाला है, तो इसको ध्यान रखिए, इट विल मोटिवेट यू। और उनको सामने लिख कर रखिए, सामने रहना चाहिए, आपका गोल क्लियर रहना चाहिए, सुबह उठते ही आपके सामने दिखना चाहिए। तो आप करते रहेंगे, आप अपनी तैयारी कर सकते हो, राइट। और रोज सुबह मॉर्निंग में आपको टारगेट दिख गया कि मुझे ये अचीव करना है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप अपना जो आपने शेड्यूल बनाया है, जो आपने अपना टाइम टेबल बनाया है, उसको फॉलो करने लगोगे। तो आपको मैंने बताया कैसे प्लान करना है। ओके, अब अगर आपको लगता है गाइस कि यार दिक्कत हो रही है, नहीं हो पा रहा है, फिर भी आपने 1 महीने या 15-20 दिन तैयारी की और आपको लगा यार इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी, तो गाइडेंस लेने में कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए। कोई जो टॉप रैंक लिया है उससे गाइडेंस ले लो। अभी हमारा वर्कशॉप होने वाला है दिस संडे, तो एवरीवन प्लीज ज्वाइन दैट वर्कशॉप बाय 12th रैंकर, AIR 12th रैंकर। तो एक आपका जो करंट में जो रैंक लेकर आया है वो आपको गाइड करेगा, उससे भी गाइडेंस मिलेगा। जो भी आपके सीनियर है हमसे आप गाइडेंस ले सकते हैं। तो आपको कुछ भी डाउट है, कुछ भी आपको प्रॉब्लम लग रही है, हेजिटेट मत कीजिए, क्वेश्चन पूछिए, क्वेश्चन का जवाब मिलेगा, और ये सबके साथ होता है। तो यहां पर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक पर दिक्कत हो रही है, किसी भी लेवल पर दिक्कत हो रही है, प्रिपरेशन में दिक्कत हो रही है, अपने फ्रेंड से पूछिए, टीचर से पूछिए, अपने मेंटोर से क्वेश्चन पूछिए, राइट। कोई भी हेजिटेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, सब आप मैच्योर हैं, बिल्कुल आप पूछ सकते हैं। और सबसे देखो, अगर ये सब नहीं पूछोगे, डिमोटिवेटेड रहोगे, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड रहोगे, तो हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम आएगी। तो फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ को दोनों को मेंटेन रखना है ड्यूरिंग योर एग्जाम। तो प्रॉपर डाइट लीजिए, एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, योगा के लिए भी टाइम रखिए, स्पोर्ट्स में भी जाइए, और आपकी जो भी हॉबी है उसको कम से कम 20 to 30 मिनट्स टाइम दीजिए। ये जरूरी है फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए और मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए। बहुत लंबी जर्नी है, एग्जाम के समय में ये सब कुछ आपके काम आएगा। बहुत ही छोटे छोटे से पॉइंट्स है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है लेकिन। और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट अपनी प्रॉपर स्लीप लीजिए भाई, नहीं तो दिमाग चलेगा नहीं आपका। तो फाइनली स्टे काम एंड कंपोज ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम। तो एक दिन में तो होगा नहीं, कैसे एग्जाम को टैकल करना है ये एक दिन में पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा। तो पैनिक हो जाएगा और आपको लगेगा पता नहीं मेरा एग्जाम निकल पाएगा या नहीं, एंजाइटी आएगी एंड सो ऑन। तो ये साल भर की प्रिपरेशन है, रोज अपने आप को तैयार कीजिए, मॉक टेस्ट दीजिए, योगा कीजिए, मेडिटेशन कीजिए, ताकि आप ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम आप काम रह सकें, अवॉइड पैनिकिंग और रशिंग थ्रू द पेपर। इट इज पॉसिबल थ्रू व्हाट मॉक टेस्ट एंड सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट एंड फुल लेंथ टेस्ट। तो आप देते रहिए रेगुलर इंटरवल पर, तो आपका धीरे धीरे डर हट जाएगा। दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट वन। So I hope you have enjoyed the session. You have any question then you can ask. And just after this, I'm going to take one important session on technical topic, that is non-inverting operational amplifier. Here you will get the idea how to get the command over a single topic, each and everything about what non-inverting operational amplifier. तो आप आइए मेरे साथ ज्वाइन कीजिए on our app, that is BYJU'S exam prep. You can download the app now. और मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बाय संजय राठी। वहां आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा, उसको ज्वाइन कीजिए सेशन और पता कीजिए कि एक टॉपिक में कैसे कमांड की जाती है। ओके, जस्ट इस सेशन के बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो देखिए ये हमारा रिजल्ट्स है इन गेट 2023, राइट। 62 अंडर 50, 13 अंडर 10 एंड 107 अंडर AIR 100। ओके, and this is the topic. Let's learn operational amplifier non-inverting mode just at 9 PM on BYJU'S exam prep app. Okay, you can join now and join my telegram channel, that is electronics by Sanjay Rathi. Okay guys, you are on BYJU'S exam prep. You have any question? Rupa Naidu sir, age limit for ESE examination till this date, according to the last notification, that is what 30 years for general category and for there is some age relaxation for what OBC and other categories. You can go through the previous year notification from upsc.gov.in. Purchase the online classes for ESE. I have installed the app, but I couldn't find the course. Akhil. Now there is a number of what counselor. So he will contact with you. To simply give your number and then he will contact with you. Okay, Akhil. So go through the app, search for what counselor. Then you can ask your all the doubts. Then he will guide you. That is the simple procedure. Okay. You can ask number of questions. So you are on BYJU'S exam prep, the most comprehensive app for all competitive exams. I think you have enjoyed the session. Then like the session, share the link of this session and subscribe our channel. You can scan this for our Telegram channel also. Thank you and good night.